We're in the middle of another major nor'easter, folks, right on the heels of the blizzard of 2015. Snowfall is expected with a good portion of New Hampshire seeing heavy snowfall. Eastern parts of the state could see snow totals greater than a foot and possibly even blizzard conditions. Starting at 9 a.m. this morning, we'll have live team coverage on air and online across the state on where driving conditions are the worst and how to keep your family safe as the storm moves through. NH1 News on WVIR-TV. Go to NH1.com for your local listing.